Okay, here we go. We got a 1982 Chevrolet short wheelbase. We're gonna get a new tailgate. You can see it's rusted there. We got a lot of body work to do on it, but we're gonna fix all this rust and get this truck looking brand new again. We came in this morning. We're preparing for the new hood. We're going to go back black. He's got a new bezel and all for the front, which will fix all that rust there first. And looks good. We'll fix all these dents. Let me go back this way. Some glares on here. Thank you.